Good morning, students. Today my topic is consumer protection. Lesson number 18. Consumer. A modern physiology of the marketing. Consumer is supposed to be the king. Consumer is the king of modern marketing. India is Consumer Protection Act of 1986, Section 9. Mahatma Gandhi said about the customers, a customer's most important visitor on our premises. He is not dependent on us. We are dependent on him. Consumer rights. Next, consumer rights. India is there are shortage of many products. If a few firms are enjoying in monopoly power in marketplace, a large majority of the consumer ignorant and literate and do not about the rights, quality, potency, quantity, purity, price, and standardize. The consumer often are exploited the marketing. They are exploited in advertisement, poor quality, fractional weight, overcharging, and artificial scarcity. Artificial scarcity means no stock. Some cinema houses no house full, but is freely available for the ticket black market. Black market in ticket is rate of high price. No no stock or no houseful, that word you see. Next one, few examples of marketing: mixing a stones with grains, mixing a coconut oil with palm oil and papaya seeds to add a black pepper, for always exploitation of consumers. Next topic, Consumer Council. India, there are three levels of Consumer Council: district level, state level, central level. The district level of Consumer Council is protected consumers' rights. Next one, awareness of consumers. The consumer district level consumer council is member of one district judge. Next one, adequate knowledge and experience, commerce, accountancy, economics, law, and industry and public affairs or administration relating to person. One shall be a woman. Next one, the compensation of if any claimed in less than the 20 lakhs in district level. Next one is state commission. State level of state commission. The member of the one person of the judge of high court appointed by the state government. The compensation of the claimed in exceed 20 lakhs and less than 1 crore. Next topic, National Commission or NCDRC. NCDRC means National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission or National Commission. The National Commission is called main functions of protection of consumers. Is implemented in this Act 1988. This commissions of members, the head of the Supreme Court of in India. The members, National Commission should be 5 members. A 4 members of knowledgeable person in economics, commerce, accounts, law, and business administration are relating persons of 5 members. 4 members. 1 in woman. This complaint valuable of amount of the more than 1 crore. Next one is the National Commission product of every individual consumers protection for National Commission. Next one, proceeding for filing complaint steps. Filing a complaint in consumers court. Filing complaint in consumer court. But India is for not awareness for this awareness. Next one, the consumer filing a consumer court. Consumer details is name, address, and purchase details or etc. Next one, who can make complaint? Who can make complaint? The complaint law, Indian Consumer Protection Act 1986, a voluntary consumer association or central government or state government or union territory or more than one or more than consumers or voluntary persons or complaint the filing a complaint. Next one, when the complaint can be made. A complaint, loss or damages of consumer due to unfair trade practice or trade or also complaint. Third one, how to register the complaint. How to register the complaint. A complaint is within date of 2 years. Within day of 2 years, the complaint is need not to the stamp paper. The advocate is not necessary. Next one, relief to the consumers. Relief to the consumers, the complaint, name of the complaint and the consumer relief of the fund or exchange of new products or consumer affected some fund or also relief to the consumer. Okay, students, again one time. Today my topic is Consumer Protection Act 1986. Consumer protection, 3 steps of India is following: consumer level, state level, district level and central level. State level, district level, central level. The consumer protection is National Commission or National Protection Act.